enjoy ano.
I'm doing like a playlist. Like, so if you would like add a song, what
Hi,
would you
Rina
like? Any
from UM.
random.
Kenny by Still Woozy.
Kenny.
Kenny, yes.
Okay.
Kenny. The artist is Still Woozy.
Don't pay me no mind, I'll be fine.
Yeah, I love the song, the vibe, the lyrics. I relate to it so much. Hope you like it.
Gonna be the track one. Okay, guys.
Hello. How are you doing?
Enjoy lang po.
Bud, nice to meet you, Bud.
Enjoy the whole friends. Hey, guys. Gumagawa ko ng playlist. So kung mag-add ka ng song, anong song i-add mo? Kahit anong song. Talaga, thank you so much. You're so
Maybe Thankful na lang by Arthur Neri.
Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take
Congratulations.
What kind of playlist?
Like
You guys and favorite.
my favorite right now is Sunset with You by Cliff and Eden.
Well, I've been thinking about you every day and night.
I'll definitely add that.
Huling Sayaw.
Huling sayaw.
Dubita.
Galing-galing mo talaga.
Unang sayaw pala. Unang sayaw, hindi huling sayaw.
Sa ilalim ng kalawakan.
Ano pa name niyo?
Magnetic. Alam niyo po ba?
Sino artist?
Eileen yung bago po.
This time I want you, like it's magnetic.
Latin Heart.
Hindi tayo nagtanong.
Si Ariana Grande.
Oh, you're there tonight.
Actually kagabi, last ko yun na.
Yung last song na pinag-isa.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Ano pangalan niyo?
Any type of song. Okay, I'm addicted to this song called Tiptoe by research HYBS. That's the artist name. HYBS. Tiptoe. Okay. Really good.
I'll be pretty